Hey, DaveWeLike here, checking out the clear Vue Shield. Now, a lot of face shields that I've seen out there are pretty ugly. They don't worry about the style factor. And the reality is, protecting ourselves is going to be an ongoing thing. So you might as well look good when you go out into the world. And that's where the Vue Shield comes on in. When we pull the shield out, it is within a microfiber carrying bag. And we'll want to hold on to this so that we can continue to clean off the shield with this particular bag as we carry it around the world. When we look at this shield, you'll notice that it's like wearing a pair of glasses. There's no wrap that you have to put around your forehead to hold this shield in place. You just put it on your ears. The frame is going to continue on and hold into place via our nose, so we can go ahead and slide it up, slide it down, however it is that we need to once it's on our face. You'll also get UVA and UVB protection. It also has a blue light blocking as well as anti-fog coating. It's extremely lightweight, the same weight as any regular pair of sunglasses, if not even lighter than that. Obviously, there's a gap between the shield and your face, and this allows all the heat to escape, so you're not going to feel all sweaty or hot as you wear the shield. There are additions to the Vue Shield that do have tinted sunshades, but in this particular one, since it's clear, I've got to continue to wear my sunglasses when I'm out and about. It's really cool because I can take on and off my sunglasses as well as my face mask as I keep on the Vue Shield. And essentially still having these three elements on my ears, I still feel very comfortable that the Vue Shield isn't going to fall off. Again, if you're looking for a real stylish way to protect yourself, check out the Vue Shield. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe for more of my videos coming soon.